everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Here I'm in Istanbul airport to pick up our guest Pablo Cimadevila, the greatest jeweler of digital world, of YouTube, of Instagram, is coming to Istanbul to visit our company, to visit our factory. In a few minutes I will pick him up to bring his hotel downtown Istanbul. After waiting a little bit, I successfully kidnapped Pablo, so he's in the car now.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
Buenos noches.
Merhaba.
Merhaba. How do you like the car?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
This is a great. Hello, Pablo. Beautiful weather and nice night here in Istanbul.
How is your first impression? First 10 minutes in Istanbul?
It's a hot place, but a nice place.
First time in Istanbul?
First time in Turkey, first time in this city.
Like, if you are ready.
Till now, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for your invitation.
It's 1 AM almost in the night, so probably you are tired, eh?
No.
Oh,
You
okay.
want to see the leather?
Young guy, you see. Which one?
Showroom, the leather machine, right now. Leather machine, your machines, you have a...
Yeah. Ah, you want to come office?
Yes, now.
Okay,
Right
because...
now.
Okay, we are going to office directly.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I was joking.
We work hard with Pablo. It's 8 PM. We should go home, but Pablo make us work. So, you know, the success is not a chance. It doesn't happen by chance. It's still working. He's angry.
Hello.
Pablo arrived Istanbul with us, and the first thing he wanted to do was having a check our lathe machine. Of course, Pablo, welcome to Istanbul.
Wanna know?
Yes.
Yes.
Pablo Cimadevila is the coolest jeweler of digital world. That's why, of course, we had a great welcome party for him. You can't believe how many people came to meet with Pablo, and Pablo was, of course, happy. We had the special party for Pablo in Bulunmaz showroom downtown Istanbul. Lots of people came and we had lots of fun, we had lots of great food. The surprise of the party was special cake for Pablo with his picture.
So I eat myself?
Yes.
It's about eat me.
Pablo Cimadevila has around 5 million subscribers on YouTube, and you know what that means? A lot of fans. And plenty of fans from Turkey visited Pablo.
Nice to meet you.
No, in Vicenza. We see you in Vicenza.
Meet a lot of people in Vicenza. It's crazy, look.
This is your first time?
You made it great. With my two.
Of course, everything is not business. Yeah,
It's not?
business is not everything.
We're not going to sell something here?
No, we are going for religion.
Some lady?
We are going to Blue Mosque.
Maybe they need a lady. You never know.
Right, okay. We will visit Blue Mosque, Saint Sofia, Sultanahmet, the touristic area of Istanbul with Pablo. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Please, come follow. We came to Saint Sofia after Blue Mosque. I brought Pablo to Saint Sofia. He's ready for the shoot in Sofia. It's a mosque now, so we have to find out something with take out our shoes. After Pablo's visit to our company, our factory, and that great party, we had a walk around Istanbul. Pablo was a great tourist and had a lot of interest in the city. You know what's the most special thing with Istanbul? Of course, it's beautiful Bosporus. We had a great dinner on a Bosporus cruise with Pablo. You are curious about Pablo's time in Istanbul? Just have a look at his YouTube channel, that he will have another extra video about his trip in Istanbul in Turkey with us with Bulunmaz. We are in the middle of the sea in Bosporus with a lemon, with the food. But more important, we are vlogging, so more important, we are with
YouTube life, you know, it's a hard life.
How do you like it?
I love it. I love it. Good friends. Maybe a girlfriend in the future. I don't know. What do you think, babe?
Girlfriend, write in the comments.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Pablo, did you like Turkish belly dancing? You want one for you?
You know my favorite color?
Red.
It's red. So
Red.
I think we have some